Today I'm going to make a spiraled ham, and I am going to make a mandarin orange glaze with it. What I have here is an 11-ounce can of mandarin oranges in syrup. So I'm placing that in my little pan, and I'm going to simmer it and try to get a thick sauce from it. I'm going to add some brown sugar, not really measuring it, just eyeballing it. Some brown sugar. Some honey. Like I said, I'm just eyeballing it. I'm also going to add a little bit of cinnamon. And I'm going to saute this down until the oranges break up. And then I am going to add a little bit of a flour water mixture to thicken it. I'm just going to stir this together. And I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon. I would add nutmeg, but I ran out of it and didn't realize, so just a little bit of cinnamon. It's a sweet glaze. It's delicious. I'm just trying to mix it up so that it's everything's blended. Then when this glaze is ready, I'm going to pour it all over the ham that I bought. Just going to add a little bit more honey. Like I said, this will take a little while to just cook it down. This glaze has been simmering for probably about 5 minutes. As you can see, it's getting hot. And if you can notice, the oranges are starting to break up. So once all the oranges are broken up, I will add a little mixture of flour and water to help thicken this. Now I'm just going to make that roux to add to thicken that glaze. This is about 2 tablespoons of flour, and I'm going to add some water to it. then what I'm going to do is just whisk it together and add more water if I need to. I'll see. What I want to do is whisk it together to mix it. So that I get any lumps out. You don't want it lumpy, you want it smooth. So also, once I have this smooth, I want to add a little bit of that hot liquid from the pan to this. So that it heats this up a little bit. Stir that in. Perfect. And then I'll add this to my pan to help thicken that glaze. As you can see, it's cooking down nicely. I'm going to add that roux that I just made to it. And now I'm going to blend that together. I'm just going to give it a little bit to just help thicken it. It smells delicious. Our glaze is finished. As you can see, it's coating the spoon, and that's what we want. Now I'm going to pour this over the ham. Here's our ham, so we're gonna pour the glaze over. Then I'll take a basting brush and I will really hit the spots that I missed. I'm going to cover this with aluminum foil, tent it so it's not sticking to it, because I don't want it to stick to the ham, and put it in the oven at 325. That's the directions for this ham, and cook for 10 minutes per pound. Okay, so look at this gorgeous glaze. All right, I'm gonna finish putting this glaze on. So 325 for 10 minutes a pound. This is about 8 pounds, so it's gonna cook for 80 minutes, maybe a little longer. About every half an hour, 20 minutes, half an hour, I'm gonna go in and drippings are gonna collect on the bottom. I'm going to baste the entire ham with that every 20 minutes while it cooks. The Mandarin Glazed spiral ham is finished. Just took it out of the oven. We do like well done here, so I kept glazing it, and I have some dark spots, but we really love that. And that's it. Hope you enjoy.